gravitational force is required for this question is basically related to that heat transfer. So we know that there are different methods of heat transfer. Is there heat transfer by conduction, convection, radiation, etc. And in case of heat transfer by conduction, we know that it is due to the vibration of molecule, and radiation is by the emission of electromagnetic radiations. But if you're talking about convection, so actually what will happen if you're supplying some amount of heat energy to some amount of liquid in a container, then the liquid molecule at the bottom of container will absorb some amount of heat energy. So let's say a liquid molecule over here is absorbing heat energy. So as it's absorbed heat energy, its temperature increases, then its volume increases. As the volume increases, then we can say that the force acting on these molecules are, one is nothing but upthrust, which is V into rho into G. Another one is nothing but weight of this object mg. So as the volume increases, its density decreases, or this upthrust increases. As the upthrust increases, or its density of object or this molecule becomes less than the surrounding molecule, so due to upthrust it will move in upward direction. So upthrust depends upon the value of acceleration due to gravity. If g is equal to 0, then upthrust will be equal to 0, then convection will not take place, or the molecule will not move upward. So for taking place this process of convection, we required acceleration due to gravity, or gravitational force is required. And for stirring of liquid, like we can do it by iron, no need for any gravity.